The last one we had sold in hours. So if you missed out on that one, do not miss out on this. This is a 26 registration Defender 110. It's a D250S. It's VAT qualifying, finished in Woolstone Green. It's in delivery mileage, 367 miles. But just look at it. Full exterior styling kit, wide arches, upgraded DRLs, Canards, pod lights, upgraded 22s. But these are just a beautiful, beautiful car. So it's a 26 registration, 26 model year, still has warranty until 2029. It's only done 360 miles, but it's the way that this car looks. Woolstone Green was an introduction on the new models, watercolour it is, but then when you get one with a kit like this, it's just a real head turner. Black pack, extended black pack. The DRLs I just mentioned, the Canards then give you this front extended, more aggressive splitter. From factory, it's got cold climate pack. Then you've got the bonnet inserts, wide arches, but the way that the kit has been done is exactly how people look for it. It's the ones, whenever we get them, they sell instantly because this is the style that everybody looks for. 22-inch wheels, they're finished in satin black, multi-spokes. Then you've got the nice red brake calipers just to break up that exterior colour. Now, usually because of the vehicles we sell when they're registered, we talk about condition, but we don't need to on this car because it is brand new in the way that it looks and the way that it is being looked after as well. Side vents as well, they've all been upgraded. And if you have a look at the rear space, the main reason that someone would go for a 110 over a 90 is they're looking for the rear boot space, but then obviously because of that, you've got the easier access to the rear. So these are by far the most popular family SUV at the moment and have been for years now. They're an incredible car and we sell so many of them because of the way they look, the way they drive, the spec of them. Rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover, and then obviously the 110, you've got that huge boot space as well. Now you get a lot of spec as standard on a Defender in general. With this being a 26 model year, they then increase that because you have the larger infotainment system, then some standard features have also been upgraded as well. So with the S, for me, it's got everything you need anyway. Meridian Sound system, adaptive cruise, heated wheel, huge infotainment system which has navigation, media, telephone. It's even got 360 cameras, traffic sign recognition, features that would be parts of packs on other models are standard. If I show you the cameras, dead straightforward to use. It's even got a towing specific mode in there as well. So fantastic car this. Heated seats, climate control, all the usual features you expect to see on a car like this. But it's brand new. The condition of the seats, the steering wheel, the paintwork, everything about it is brand new. But it's just a head turner. The colour combination, the exterior styling, everything about this car tells me it won't last long. So maybe you missed out on the one I had in recently. The VAT qualifying thing as well, the price you see on the screen is the price that you will pay. So it's not plus VAT, it's inclusive of VAT. It will appeal to some of you out there, but to those of you who it doesn't, it's absolutely fine. So it's a bonus to a lot of people. If you can take advantage of that, then take advantage of it. If you are interested in buying this car, any questions about how you would do that as far as finance, funding, part exchange you might have, or anything in general, just contact me on my mobile number. Like I said at the start of the video, the last one we had sold in hours, so don't wait a couple of days to call me because it simply won't be here. So any questions, contact my mobile number and I look forward to speaking to you.